Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Lippan art mandala pattern on the cardboard base. Yes, you have heard it right. I have created this video for the beginners who are starting with the Lippan art, and you can take these kind of bases to start with, and absolutely you can use the final product as any decorative piece to enhance the beauty of your walls or your workspace. So I will share each and every step in the detail format. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this cardboard base, which is actually the cake base. So I have just removed the upper paper and cleaned it nicely so that we can start with doing the Lippan art. And this is quite sturdy and thick, so you can collect these type of bases to start with your Lippan art practice. Now, first of all, we have to find out the center. So I am just telling the measurements here. The diameter is 18 centimeters and in inches this is 7 inches. So you can use any size bases whatever you have and convert it to the beautiful pieces. Now to find out the center, here I have cut one same size circle on the newspaper. Fold the paper from center like this. Again fold it from center. Then align this curvature with the corner of circle like this, and then we have to mark this 90-degree angle to the center. So in this way you will find the center easily. Now we have to create some design. So here I have created one circle using 1 centimeter radius, 2 centimeter radius, and third circle with 3 centimeter radius, and few more circles with pencil markings which are having 4.8 centimeter radius, 6 centimeter radius, and 7.5 centimeter radius. So 3 circles are solid, and after that I have created here 8 petal flowers. So to create the flowers I have divided my circle in 8 equal parts, and this is simple freehand drawing. You can create whatever you like in a bold pattern. And now here till the last circle I am making one more petal pattern like this. Similarly making other petals, and this is ready. Then here I am taking my handmade coal porcelain clay to create the Lippan art, but you can also use shilpkar clay, molded clay, or modeling clay. Whatever you have, any clay will work. So we have to first make thin string kind of pieces using the clay. So you have to roll it on the surface evenly and make long pipes. Then taking back my base, add glue around the edge of the circle and start connecting these pipes carefully on the design. Then cutting the excess clay using paper cutter, or you can also use scissors. Merge first and last end of the string nicely together, and to merge it properly I am applying here wet brush and creating a nice ring shape. Like this. Now starting with the second circle, Similarly, I am making the third circle. Now creating the petals here. So I am attaching half portion of the petal first, cutting it from the top using paper cutter, and from other side I am putting the another part of the petal like this. So quickly creating all the petals. So this is completely ready. Looking very beautiful, isn't it? Now starting with the third row of the petals, and here whatever clay you have in whatever color, it doesn't matter because we are going to color everything using white at the end. So it doesn't matter what color clay you are using. So this is completely ready. Now I'm adding another layer inside the bigger petal in U shape like this. Completing the remaining petals, and then at the end I am adding one more U shape on outer side like this. And this is completely ready. So our Lippan work is completely done. Now allow it to dry for 24 hours completely till it get hard. So I have kept it for one day and now it's quite hard and ready to color. So here I am taking white acrylic color and coloring completely on the clay work on the base with the same white shade. You can also use here acrylic color, chalk paints, or any color which is waterproof. So whitewash is done. Now starting with the colors, paint. So in the center circle I am coloring with yellow acrylic color, and remember one thing, we have to leave all the Lippan work as it is. So try to use small size brush so that it will be easier to control the brush strokes, which will not ruin the beauty of white color. And if accidentally you touch the white color with some colored shades, don't worry, after drying we can retouch with the white color wherever required, but try to avoid the mistake so it will create your work easy. So I am coloring the first row of petals using same yellow shade. And this is done. Then for the next circular ring I am using here teal blue color. and also coloring the another petal using same teal blue. Then for the third ring, I am using here nice aqua blue color. Then taking here vibrant fuchsia pink acrylic color and coloring these bigger petals. After that, for the last row, I am using same aqua blue color. And at the end I am adding the same yellow color which we have used in the earlier for the first ring, using the same shade to color the outer part of the base. And our coloring process is completely done and the color is completely dried as well. So it's time to decorate this with some small mirrors, which is the most important part of Lippan artwork. So whatever design of mirrors you have, you can fill the patterns with those mirrors. There is no rule that you have to use same shapes or same design. Whatever you like and your work should look nice, you can try those techniques. So for first row I have added square mirrors, and all the sizes which I am using for mirrors today, the links are given in description box if you want to purchase the same size mirrors. And don't forget to check the coupon code as well to get extra discounts. Now for the third row I am using triangular mirrors. Then inside these yellow petals I am adding small leaf shape mirrors, and in one petal I am adding total 3 mirror shapes. These are also called eye shape mirrors. Like this. So just completing the remaining petals. Then inside these teal blue color I am adding teardrop shape mirrors. Also inside aqua blue petal I am adding same teardrop shape mirror. And then at the end I am adding these big size circular mirrors around the edge. And the mirror work is also completely ready. It's looking very shiny and vibrant, isn't it? Now starting with little bit of dot mandala technique. This is not a part of Lippan art, but to enhance the beauty of my work little more and to fill the remaining gaps, I thought to add some small dot mandala patterns. So using only white acrylic color for mandala pattern and some basic tools like ball tool, and also I'm using backside of paintbrush to create some small dots. So filling the yellow petals, pink petals and other empty areas. Now for the last row, I am putting some same size dots using backside of paintbrush and putting the dots on the outer edge. And after creating whole design, our beautiful Lippan art mandala pattern with dot mandala twist is completely ready. Now you can use this as a wall piece, or you can use this as a rangoli. You can just put it in the center, and around this you can pour some petals, and tada, your rangoli is ready. Or you can also put some diya in the center of this rangoli pattern. So whatever manner you can just use this as a decoration piece. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.